Welcome back to Aside Hot on top of the Chairman television station, Wazobia TV, on top channel 98 for Go TV. And we'll get our Ogbonge visitor, Ogagbola Oba, inside studio, and we'll discuss all of the action to the way happen inside Obodo, Nigeria for this week when pass. So, Ogagbola Oba, before we go that break, the question about trust deficit. Waiting be the leg when government must carry first. Not be even just about this issue of say they won't put money for light matter. Waiting be the leg when government must carry first for anything to use and ensure say people go begin to get trust and confidence for government. Make it not be say waiting that they talk talk as usual.
If person don't trust you, what you supposed to do?
You go win in trust or end the trust.
How you go end the trust?
By doing waiting go make and trust you.
By doing waiting go make.
And you don't get to do with say you increase electricity money. My opinion.
Even if you increase the electricity money, you can't make the person vex so more. But behind increasing that electricity money, when you talk, say, now it go help you to improve this thing. What thing you supposed to do?
Well, when I reach government, I go call, when I see as the thing they be for there, I go call know wetin be the exact thing to do.
No, any responsible person not supposed to wait till when he reach government. Because if you don't increase tariff, whether the people like them or they don't like them, you don't increase them. Now, and you tell them, say, the reason why you don't increase this tariff is because you won't take that tariff and encourage the people where they operate for the industry, make them up their performance. What thing you can supposed to do now when you don't increase the tariff, be say, go to the operators and say, you know what, una say, make I increase tariff, now it go allow una the window to perform. If una no perform, this na gbege big time. And if them believe say you ready to pull gbege, you think say they won't lose their licenses?
Most definitely, they go do their best to see say they improve.
And if they improve, the people where be the end users, where if the opinion change, say, we don't see improvement to. Who get the benefit? Not to you.
Not true.
Well, if you talk about trust and benefit, make also bear in mind, say, now what you get, you go use. For instance, the megawatts we will get for this country, now will they manage? If the government on their own part no probably find way, implement, or rather improve the megawatt, where it just say these people could they carry trust, say okay, trust, or say okay, make we ensure say we give people trust. The same way the government don't put trust on us. How it is say go they effective once the megawatt we suppose to circulate this right, so they efficient enough to ensure say power go round the way it's supposed to go.
Why they increase tariff? They increase tariff because they say they won't use them as an incentive.
The same way they tell us before.
My brother. The people will tell us before, what we do them? No, make we. You see, it's easy to sit here, make we the over dramatize thing. The people will tell us before, we not deliver. What thing we do them? If these new people, where we take good faith, take welcome, if they themselves think say we face, now for slapping a bee, one day they go see say, as our face they jolomi to slap. Now in our teeth self they sharp to bite.
Exactly.
Now, any government will perform, you know do me favor. Now them then they do favor. Because come to think of it, if you end it, me and you the relationship, I end your credibility. Ultimately, who get the advantage? Not be me where I don't improve my standing with you. If they increase the tariff, come out with money, they no deliver. Nigerians, they gullible well, but you go reach one point where you go push them. And to be honest with you, I've got news for the people where they government now. The patience when Nigerians get for your 16 years of PDP, I don't think Nigeria they get that patience anymore.
You know they anymore.
PDP thinks that patience go last 60 years.
Yeah, 50 years.
60. But the council say 6 days there, but we make sure say you know reach 20. If APC, if they no deliver on their promises, the rod wey person take whack
first wife.
The first wife.
He dey for the new one.
No be
for
ceiling you put am.
Okay.
Okay, as we can't talk about this one, about trust deficit and everything like that, and making sure, say, they deliver on their promises. Make we come enter this next story when we get to do with corruption. We'll talk about who be actor, who be boss. Now, if you come out promise, say, you want ensure, say, you want fight corruption to the point where we say, you know, go even free the disturb us for this country again. And we can't get the unfortunate incident when play out on February 2nd, where we say, DSS operatives carry the prime suspect for this 2.1 billion US dollars, Colonel Sambo Dasuki retired, come court late. Our Chief Justice on there already they talked before. Say if we want fight corruption and a collective effort, the legislature go play their part, the executive go play their part, and then when the judiciary go do their part, make nobody come be like say they stampede the judiciary to be like say na their hand everything dey. If judge don dey court, for example, by 10 o'clock, the person when you carry come before and you call the carry and come by 11:45, who no serious for inside this matter?
That one no get this one wey una dey make topic sef. That one na topic.
Na topic, who be actor, who be boss?
You know say wedding as important as wedding day, and as forgiving as priests are. When they call your wedding for 10 o'clock, you can't reach church for 11:30. Any self-respecting father, notwithstanding the grace of God, where the letter minister forgiveness, any self-respecting, you no go even meet am for pulpit.
But if na commercial, all those that were commercial, when private jet, when I know you want those the ones when
Talk like person wey get.
no, what I try talk say if na those, for example, those ones when we say, you know, say you
talk am out now. Iwolo beroro land, let am land.
You know where I'm, you know where I'm flying to. The ones when we say, then you know the commercial, the grace when they no be the na grace of, you understand this thing. Now you know where I'm coming from. Now I no just talk about.
I don't understand.
You no understand.
And you know, say sometimes I tell you say that thing, they too much. But make we still handle this one way. Una get somebody for una detention. Una know say them call case for 10 a.m. Una dey reach court with suspect or accused for 10:45 a.m. Una go blame the judge for make it don comot court.
Not at all. But our Oga President talk say judiciary na biggest headache.
Biggest wahala.
You no go take that one judge the remark of Oga President, which I no necessarily agree with.
Okay, thank you.
You know say about 3 things na in the pot of soup now. You good make person separate the meat from
the crayfish.
The crayfish
They no be the same thing.
They no be the same thing. Although them be protein. Look, when an investigating authority not doing work well, e no go even allow the prosecutor wey supposed to help the investigating authority get conviction, e no go allow am work well. You think say for that particular day, you think say the state prosecutor wey come from the Ministry of Justice, you think say go dey happy?
You no go happy at all.
Of course.
Because you must remember say the state prosecutor don dey there before judge sef come out.
Dey wait. Oga Gbola Ababe, no vex. Before you continue, Oga Ade, if we no take this call, himself no go happy. Oga Ade, they call us all the way from Lagos. Oga Ade, welcome to Aside Hot. Oga Ade, you dey there? You be like say the network no gree Oga Ade to contribute for inside this matter. Abeg, if you go call us, reduce the volume of your television, make you talk, make the full Nigeria hear your contribution for inside all the matter we dey discuss. So, Oga Gbola Ababe, over to you.
So, this kind unnecessary own goal, you know, if they play football, you're supposed to score in
Your
the
opponent.
of your opponent. This kind of unnecessary own goal make you face your own neck, they score. You know,
The jail.
the people at the top of the executive, the president, the vice president, should make sure say somebody get real query.
True.
You know.
Now why we talk am? We don't dey talk am
And
since.
apart from that, the president and the vice president, and indeed the leader of the ruling party, must be very careful the kind of remark they make about the judiciary.
True.
They must be very careful. Me, I fully support the war against corruption. But the war against corruption no means say na everything where operatives of the agencies of the executive arm of government now everything where they do na him must prevail.
Not true. Oga Goloba, abeg, before we go enter into that more prevailing matter, make we collect this call from Oga Chukwudi. Oga Chukwudi call us from Owerri. Good morning, Oga Chukwudi. Good morning. Oga Chukwudi, people say the line they filter somehow.
Well, I say the network get problem.
Abeg, I may not try call us back. For those of them we never feel reach us. So Oga Goloba, back to you.
So they must be very careful. Today now, Vice President say some people, they put pressure on them, make them no fight war on corruption. The Vice President, as at the last time I checked, he's supposed to be the most senior officer of the government in charge of the economy. Every opportunity where this Vice President see to use to engage the media, he's supposed to they talk about
The economy.
There's so many good things they are doing in-house.
Very true.
To kickstart the economy, encourage entrepreneurs to join forces with them, and take our economic command for the present morals way in there.
Very true.
Make all this remark about
Judiciary, corruption, security. Oga Gbolaba, you no go vex. Omoni, they call us all the way from Delta State. Omoni, welcome to our city hot.
I'm with you.
Yeah, thank you very much. Make your contribution sharp.
Okay, the problem now about this NEPA.
Okay.
Because we now, the people want to say that the distribution company, so waiting with they came from them. Now we they buy wire. Now we go buy transformer. Now we go buy pole. Waiting they can't give us whether they charge us money for. Then the government come again, they increase the tariff. And the light will not the same. For 3 days, they go give you like 30 minutes, 1 hour, that they honor like what they do light and quench.
You think they honor off like Christmas lights?
So Christmas light better pass ourselves. They say Christmas light they see.
Oga Money, which side for Delta State they call us from?
They go say street transformer bad. NEPA go say make you call buy transformer for them. And they not go minus that money when they donate. They buy the transformer, they go see they charge you now. So what do we call where would they go? Where we won't know.
Oga Money, thank you very much for this your important contribution.
Make I respond to Oga Money vital. Sure, you won't take okay?
We'll take okay from
because
okay, good morning.
Oga Money raise some vital issues.
Good morning.
Mr. Chukwudi.
Oga, okay, we agree to you.
Good morning, Mr. Nkovi.
Good morning.
Our guest in the studio, Mr.
Goloba.
I throw away my cap for you.
Thank you.
Welcome. Make a shoot my small. Make a run. First of all, I want pick one of yesterday where our minister talk. Say by 2018 we go to produce a pension, right? Make una know best if you talk like this, so because as I see the minister, I know be dream chaser. That one is number one. Then, secondly, he's a dream killer. If you go tell me, say, an ordinary pension, 9 commot, crack everything finish, come open my talk, saying a pension will go to produce by 2018. No, it's not. Whether him know what they produce now. I'm beyond that thing when you just talk. What they produce now, they beyond what you just mentioned, say a whole country like Nigeria, where they produce. I beg, make you not try that kind of talk again. Then, head to NEPA. NEPA come be say, like I said earlier, they don't try you. As I talk to Nana and NEPA light I see they use. They don't try. But they go try make sure say it reach everywhere. No be that area where they believe say or eyes day. Now they go to give light. But they make sure you reach all the rural to the poorest place in the country. Let they see enjoy because now what thing that gas now our own in fact now our own thing. They're not supposed to ration and give us. Let them show us that this thing is coming from our backyard and is our property also. Thank you, and may God continue to bless Nigeria.
Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you very much.
Thank you very, very much. We appreciate that. Oga Matthew, they call us all the way from Calabar. Make we try to take all the calls we fit take so that we'll get time make you address all the points when they raise. Oga Matthew, good morning and welcome to our City Hot.
Abeg, good morning.
Good morning,
Good morning,
Matthew.
Abeg, first and foremost, the main thing when I want to talk is when I talk about the decision that our president is talking about. You see, when I look at Bible, make we not just the talk like say we be small picking. No, not just the reason like say we be small picking again. When you look at it, I always tell my people here say, if we really want our country to better, they have to change the constitution and those law court, they are not helping matter. There is no doubt about that. Please, I beg of you people. They are not helping matter. And these are the people that are blocking Buhari. Buhari, a lot of things is blocking Buhari for Christ's sake. I don't know they told you now they vex every time. They will not be children again. These people are spoiling things for us. We have to say the fact. They call people, they are not helping matter. There are some constitutions that they have to change in this our country, please. And they vex.
Oga Matthew, no vex, I beg. Every time when you vex, we go beg you.
But they have to take a position for this man. Don't work for us.
Thank you very much, Oga Matthew. Thank you very. We really appreciate that.
They see your passion.
Every time when you call, you dey talk am the way anything be you for body. Thank you.
My brother.
Oga Chukwudi all the way from Owerri. Before we padlock our telephone lines. Oga Chukwudi, welcome back to our City Hot.
Yeah, good morning, Chukwudi.
Good morning. We dey hear you now, loud and clear.
Oga Boloba, God bless you.
Morning, my brother.
You just read my mind as it be. You see, this matter, no be matter where they take passion, they talk. You see, the some kind of remarks where this present government they make, it could be like say we see they into politics, we see the politique, or we see the campaign. You see, just like Oga Boloba rightly pointed out, some certain remarks, if Namibia Oga Buhari, some kind of where they talk, more especially as it concerns the judiciary, it's not supposed to be. If you hold an inside your mind, it's not supposed to be. These are men, trained, seasoned jurists. You don't just come up and begin to tell the world that their headache, your government, they are the headache you are having. Yeah. What is that supposed to be? This is a three-tier government. You have three arms of government. They are on their own. And you bring matters to them, you not allow them to adjudicate. And because of that, you not come back and blame them. Do you want them to service you or to do the right thing at the end of the day? You see, take for example, this Boko Haram issue. Technically, defeating Boko Haram, that word no they into the lexicon. I don't understand what that one means. I keep telling people, when you want to go to bush and catch monkey, you don't blow whistle in the cause of doing that. I think it's a hard time we reduce talking to go into action. And like I said, Boko Haram is not something, it's a more of a psychological war. If you defeat them technically, what about the mindset of the people who are growing? The ones that are training. And these are the ones who are making a hell of disaster at the end of the day. So my brother, this government should reduce the way they talk and concentrate more in doing things the proper way and not talking. We're not in politics, we're not politicking, we're not campaigning. Thank you and God bless you.
Oga Chukwudi, thank you very much. If you like say we self go reduce the number of calls when we dey collect. We appreciate all the facts people they try calling to contribute for inside this matter. But if we go break, come back, we will lock our telephone line so that our ogbonge visitor go fit address all of this and all of us go learn well for this matter. No go anywhere now. Still as it dey hot, we dey come back. Welcome back to Aside Hot. For where we stand, so now the final bus stop now we dey see, and we don already talk and say we go padlock our phone line so that our ogbonge visitor go fit chook mouth for inside all the talk when we say our callers don call to drop for inside this matter. Oga Boloba, before we take Oga Oke from Calabar and Oga Matthew, and before Oga Chukwudi come call back from Owerri, Oga Money from Delta State been raise one important issue about NEPA wey you talk say you go address.
The issues where Oga Money raise, now that they don't raise the tariff, the thing where they talk be say NEPA must give everybody, make we not say NEPA. That self is wrong. Power holding company of Nigeria, it's not there anymore. The entities where they now, where they engage with the public, with the power using public, now the local disco, the local distribution company for where you dey. Government talk now say, because these local discos agitate say make them increase tariff to allow them perform. Government say now that they don't increase tariff for them, you must not allow them, they must give you meter. Where we say now as you use, now ain't go they count. That they no get right anymore, make them they do guesstimation. Guesstimation where they do before, where they no go come read your meter, they will just put any amount. You must not allow it anymore. You can challenge them. In the National Electric this thing, NEC, a body where we say now regulator for all this thing, you can complain if your disco no give you meter where we say as they go, now in the read. If they still they do guesstimation and you don't agree with their bill, and now that you're not supposed to use your money buy a pole, buy this thing for NEPA. You see, for all the democracies where me don't live before, where things work, now because people, they always make sure say anything where they see for the law or regulation where favor them, they assert them. If people no assert the rules and regulations and the laws where they in favor of them, I be entrepreneur, all entrepreneur won't take in customer for MAGA.
Profit. Customer that
all won't take in for MAGA. But now you go say, no.
I don't want.
I got entrepreneur.
I won't take it.
This thing, new law say you must give me meter where they read. You are not supposed to give me guesstimate bill anymore. You don't get right to take that 750 naira. Where we say whether you give me light, you don't give me light. So if we enforce all these things, we they in favor of ourselves. We go see say all these discos self go want improve this thing because it go mean say now the light where they give. Now you know one thing where I want to talk. One my friend talk am. He said because mainly for the area where they live, now people where they use as they go meter, now him plenty for that area. He say don't discover for the last 1 week say power don't improve because for areas where people wear plenty. They use
as they go meter.
If they don't supply power, they don't even get shishi to withdraw for this. So it be our responsibility too to make sure say all these rules and this way there for us, we push them for their face. Because if you still get a meter where then they speculate, put for your house.
Now some when don't even they read at all.
Very true. Oga Bola Oba, you get one talk when Oga Oke from Calabar carry enter and a topic we will discuss. Made in Nigeria pencils by 2018. So people come out talk say, if Muzamil for inside casino, don't they make motor from scrap materials? Oga Agogo, don't they fly miniature plane? When they build their own plane.
My brother, again one important thing where I want to talk before you go to that. You see, this second to the last caller, when he called me, he expressed frustration. You know, he expressed frustration, and I empathize with them as Oyinbo people go talk. I pity him. The truth be say, Matthew, we get good heart for this government, like most of us get good heart for this government. Suppose no say the executive arm of the government most times for anywhere in the world. Now the executive they get the knife and the yam. If you get the knife and the yam and you know they creative to cut your yam,
well, yes.
Now in the cause frustration.
Yes.
Now in the go they cause frustration for people like my brother. The truth be say. Now the law where they on the law books now, now in judiciary they interpret.
Very true.
The judiciary not be the legislature where supposed to help you make law. If the APC now the major party where they control the executive arm of government, and na him be the party wey get plenty representative for the two chambers of the National Assembly. If the APC no fit come out with law wey go dey all-encompassing to help tackle corruption, e go be stupid and foolish of us to expect the judge to dey make laws, because if we allow our judges to make law, we are giving them powers that will overshadow the executive wey we dey vote for directly, and the legislators wey we dey vote for directly. And these people, they are just professional interpreters of the law. The thing wey I go encourage them now be say, I dey tell people, no be, look, me sef campaign for Buhari, me sef want Buhari to succeed, and the war against corruption is important. But you know what? We must see better creativity in governance than the just they want to point accusing finger at everybody. Imagine the EFCC law as it be now. True. The EFCC law say the EFCC get the right to call anybody where they live above in income. Fantastic law. True. Amongst the provisions of the EFCC law, it says EFCC gets the right to invite anybody, either in the public or private sector, where they live above invisible income. Call them and say, Mr. Gbolaoba, we say you dey live above at the level of Dangote, but we don't see anything where support the Dangote status where you dey live. As good as that provision is, me and you, just as we talk that time when we talk about Dalori, we know say EFCC operatives dey limited. So they no get the capability to call all the people where they live above their income for Nigeria. Imagine say we can't change that EFCC law small. We say any Nigerian, as e dey for one law for America, the law is called the FCPA law, Foreign Corrupt Practices Act. If I be American, or even I no be American, I know one American will go do business for another country.
You get the right to report the person.
I get the right to report the person. When they convict that person, I get the right to take 10% of the thing where they collect from man. Imagine say we put up for EFCC law. Say
imagine
any Nigerian where they live above an income, anybody will help to instigate criminal
and
investigation.
We can't get conclusion.
We can't get conclusion.
Benefit from her.
Imagine.
Thank you very much. Every time when you get the opportunity to come on top of Party the Hot, you dey always dey finish work on top of this matter. But we dey assure Nigerians say no be just to finish work. We go ensure say those wey we say we elect to represent us go do wetin dey right to move this country forward. No be to trade blame, no be horse trading. Executive, legislature, judiciary. Na collective effort, na collaborative effort, and we go move this our country forward. Until we come back again on Monday. Remember say our ear go dey ground. All of the action to when go happen for weekend we we'll carry and come. Oga Gbolaoba, thank you very much. We shake your hand. All those wey call us, we appreciate. Those wey we say the calls no enter, we appreciate. Make una spread the word. Tell una loved ones. Make them dey watch Wazobia TV. Make them dey watch Wazobia Max. And make them dey watch As E Dey Hot. Only.
If una know say una just enjoy the video they wanna just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. No darling.